patent sucks because people are infringing it and you haven't sued them. Maybe. My name is Steve Hansen. I've been a practicing patent attorney for over 25 years. Now that I write patents, but I tear apart other people's patents in litigation. If you like this content, please do me a favor and like, follow, and share. I got a question from Roachman101. Thank you, sir. I appreciate the question about why companies would pursue patents and then not sue competitors when they infringe them. Well, there's a number of reasons people get patents, and that will have an impact on this. But let's just assume you got them for the traditional reason of trying to get more market share, exclude competitors from practicing your invention so you could sell more of your product. The reality of it is that patent infringement litigation is very expensive, and you really have to calculate what the difference will be between your estimated legal fees and the recoverable damages you might get in an infringement case. You know, when you're coming up with the patents, it's really hard to know what that's going to look like. And so, and also, you know, some companies want to build up a patent portfolio because it adds value to the company. It may deter some people from infringing, if not everybody. And so, you know, you don't want widespread infringement, but sometimes people may infringe and it just may not be worth the trouble or the expense of filing a case because the amount of damages you can recover will be less than what you'll spend in legal fees. Patent cases require a lot of expert witnesses. There's a lot of heavy discovery. They're very, very contentious. There's often a lot of lawyers on both sides to deal with all the things that have to get done, and so they're very expensive. But companies still do get them because, you know, it adds perceived value to the company. It will deter some amount of infringement. And at some point, if the right infringer comes along and is making enough money off of their infringement, then it will become worth it to sue them. You just don't know when that's going to happen. So you don't want to not file anything and then not have a patent at all to stop somebody if and when it becomes worthwhile to you. You know, if you don't have a patent, you're done. But if you have a patent and someone starts really making real money that they shouldn't be making because they're using your invention, then you can stop them. So unfortunately, there's just situations where infringement is economically rational for the infringer and suing them is economically irrational for the patent holder. And part of the reason is that the law of damages has gotten much more restrictive. It's much more difficult now to prove what the specific value of your invention is because, you know, it's one feature in a product and which may have many attributes, many things customers want, and you have to isolate your invention to the value of that. That's difficult. And also, when I started practicing, patent holders, if they won a patent infringement case, got an automatic injunction, which was very powerful. And unfortunately, that's no longer the case. But anyway, those are some of the reasons why you still get patents, even though you might not sue everybody who's infringing them. I hope that helps to keep you out of trouble, and I hope to see you here soon.